In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean your Pelonis air conditioner. Doesn't matter if it's a 5,000 BTU or a 20,000 BTU. Cleaning is going to be pretty much the same. Basically what we need to do is remove this front cover. There is a filter in there. We'll clean that filter, but we'll also clean the cooling fins. This is going to restore efficiency and cooling to your air conditioner. First thing we need to do is remove the filter that's behind this grate. You can just reach under here like this, and you're going to pull straight up. Now, this is a flexible filter, so don't worry about breaking it. Just pull straight up. Now there's a couple ways you can clean this filter. If you just want to use your vacuum cleaner and vacuum it off, that works. Or if you want to take it outside and use an air compressor and blow it out that way, that works as well. Now with that filter removed, you can see that screw right there. There's another one on the opposite side, just down there at that end. We'll go ahead and remove those two Phillips screws, and then we can remove the front cover. To remove the front cover, I just use a putty knife, or you'd want to use a very small flathead screwdriver. We'll get right behind this cover and simply pop it loose. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now to remove the front cover, simply lift from the bottom and rotate it up. Now once the panel is loose, you have a wiring connection right here. You simply squeeze in on these tabs and pull your wire connection apart. And now you can set your front panel off to the side. Front panel's off, you can simply vacuum the whole front side of this. Just be very careful with it. If you're able to bring it outside like I did, I'm going to spray this down with either some air conditioner cleaner, or if you don't have that, you can always use Simple Green. This stuff is safe to use on just about anything. And just spray it on there, let it soak, and then hose it off. Now here at the back of the air conditioner, you can do the same thing. Vacuum it off if that's all you have. If you have it outside like I do, I'm going to spray this down and hose this off as well. If you look at the top of the air conditioner, you want to make sure there's no gap. So you kind of push in, you're going to rotate it down, and then all you have to do is push in down towards the bottom. Now right here towards the bottom, you just push in and it will snap right in place. And now the front cover is reassembled. Snapped in place, we need to put those two screws back in. So go ahead and put the one in on this side. Don't tighten these too tight, you just want to make sure they're snug. And then go ahead and put the other one in on the other side. We'll go ahead and reinstall our nice clean filter. You just want to make sure that this raised lip edge, where it's kind of makes of a handle, is to the outside. Just simply push it down in there and try to keep it even, and it will slide right back in place. That's how you clean your Pelonis air conditioner. You do this every spring, it's going to run more efficient and keep your home a little more cool. Hope you guys found this video helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.